ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing very well. And here is another exciting review, guys. And I'm talking about here is a famous exchange weeks, and here is a new airdrop for you guys. And here is a latest platform that is Labu, which is listing which have a airdrop on weeks exchange. As you know that always I come with an amazing and exciting review. So before starting their further amazing, exciting review, I would request if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification. And here I have to something that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So you have to do your own research here, guys. So guys, you have to stay tuned with still last of the video and I will share each and everything how you can join and how you can trade here, guys. Yes, you can trade here like future trading and spot trading. It's on to you. You can join this, and this is a very big news for the traders. And here is a V airdrops is now live, and if you are watching, so you have to will you be one of the lucky ones here, and this is only for the newly users that have joined, and you have to just trade. It's on to you which one you choose, are sport trading or future trading. And here is you have to just complete the simple task and you have to submit your week's uid, and I will provide complete information. And here is guys also a link where you have to put your all of these detail, and I also put in my video description. So, guys, let's start right now. And here we start. That's our event or time. You can see that that is now started. So, guys, you have to firstly join our TG account. Here you can see that this is our Telegram community where you have to join and where you can get that what events now next upcoming. And here you can get all news and announcement about our events. And as I tell you, you can trade here. It's on to you which you have to choose. Like you can sport trading at here if you choose a sport pair, and future trading is also open for you. It's on to you which position you choose, which trade you choose. And here you have to complete a simple task, guys, and it's very easy. And we will do for this so only for the lucky users that will be shared to here. And guys, one most of these things that as you know that weeks is a very famous exchange, and you have to just do go on our Telegram community where you have to do join, and you have to apply for this. Simply you have to put your email, Wix UID, Telegram username, and then you have to simply click on submit button. So here is very easy and very simple method. So you have to mustly visit here, and guys you can see that about our platform that here you can get here. And you can also check out about our daily check and balance, and our for routes that's here. And you can, as I tell you about why you have to choose, because of here your fund is fully protected, top level liquidity. And here you can watch this Mitchell video. And here is copy trading you can also do, so you have to never miss. This is another market movement here. You can start your copy trade right here now, and you can trade anytime, anywhere, in any country of the world, guys. There is you have to just download this as an app store, Google Play, Wix Beta, and you have simply Android, and then you can go and you can trade here. Here are last a lot of events, guys. Rewards hubs we launch. You have to just simply join here. And here you can also do copy trade, sport trading, future tradings, and you can also check out our current markets. So you have to just simply sign up. You have to put your email, and then you get code at your email, guys. You have to just check this out. So you have to mustly join this airdrop at Weeks Exchange. Stay tuned with us. See you next video. Thanks for watching.